Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Thanks for coming. Today we're going to be talking about how to get free makeup. One of the ways that I've been getting free makeup and as well as other items throughout the years is through an app called Influenster. Now Influenster, you don't have to pay for anything. You just download the app and you answer some questions, and sometimes you can end up getting free items. Now I have had Influenster, I don't know, it's been several years, I know. And out of all that, I've only gotten 5 boxes or so. I'm also not very active on the app, so it'll send me emails if it thinks that there's a box coming up that I might be interested in, and then you can choose to do the questions and then you'll get sent products. Sometimes you don't know what the product's going to be until after you take the quiz. Sometimes you do. It just depends. You can win free stuff off of here. It's awesome. I'll show you the app real quick. So this is the profile on my app. It just has my name and then basic information. I have 9 badges, which I'll show you in a second. Followers, shows my score, all that stuff. So here's a campaign that I can start. It says earn cash back at Walmart. So then if I want to enter that, I can select that one. There's a contest here. So if I go to the earn cash back at Walmart, I click the start campaign button. It's loading. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this Walmart one, you have to buy 3 items. You have to buy a brow gel, a brow pomade, and a lipstick, all by Maybelline. And then you get $6 back after you take a picture of your receipt. And then you review it. So the catch is every time you receive a product, if they end up sending you a product, then you have to review it. Other things that I do on the app is review items. I think the more items you review and the more active you are on the app, the more campaigns you will get sent to you. Also, I think your influencer score helps that too. So if you have a lot of friends on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or whatever, then that ups your influencer score, which may give you more boxes sent to you. So this is my second box in the last couple months. This is what it comes in every time. It could be different just because it depends on the size of the thing you get. The last item I got was actually one of my favorite products that I have now. It's a Benefit Brow Contour Stick or Contour Pencil. Now you don't have to do just makeup items either. I started doing more campaigns that pertain to family things because I have a 2-year-old. So we'll see if anything comes up from that. So back to the box. Let's see what's in it and then we will see if we can review it. So big empty box of not much in it. There is one product in here. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So this is just a sample size. I'm assuming because it looks like this here is the actual size. So it gives me directions on the back to get started, to log into your profile, try out this, and leave an honest review on Sephora. The benefit to this stuff too is if you hate it, like it doesn't matter. They'll still send you boxes later. They just want your review. So even if you don't like the product and it's the worst thing you've ever tried, it's okay. Leave a bad review. They want your honest review, I think. So this is what we got today. Like I said, it's the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. What it is a primer and a moisturizer. So I'll read to you what it says it does. Built for double duty, multitasking primer, moisturizer, instantly hydrates, plumps, and smooths skin, creating the perfect base for foundation. Whipped texture absorbs instantly, infusing skin with weightless moisture for a healthy glow. Creates ultra smooth texture-free canvas that helps grip the makeup. Apply to skin, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it sounds like an amazing primer if it does what it says, and I have really dry skin, so this should work very well for me. That's another thing. Like I said before, it gives you products that pertain to you specifically. So if you had oily skin, you wouldn't have been in this campaign because this is more so for dry skin. That's just the way it works. Before I get into the product itself and do a review on it, the review on YouTube is obviously not required. I'm just showing you guys this so you can potentially get free makeup as well. I just have to leave a review on Sephora. But if it's a great product, I want you guys to know because, you know, woohoo. So anyways, before we get into the product, if you have any more questions about Influenster, because I know I skipped through it really fast and I probably forgot a bunch of things. If you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer them for you. Otherwise, just try out the app and then make sure you follow me on the app as well. So I'm just going to go straight into this because I did clean my face. So we got a clean, good base. And I'm going to apply this just like I would a regular primer. I think I'm going to apply this only on half of the face so I can get a look at how well it actually works. It smells good. Okay, I'm zooming you in just a little bit, so hopefully maybe you can see the difference as well. But for me, this is the side that I applied the primer on. It's not a pore filling primer, so don't judge my pores. I normally wear a pore filling primer. But I can tell that this side is a lot smoother than this side is. It's not a huge difference in the glowy aspect, but it does look a little more hydrated and glowy than this side. I know it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but if you can tell, let me know. Make sure I'm not just losing my mind. But so far, I think it looks fine. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation as I normally would to see how that sets on top of the primer. Okay, so we've got my foundation on and I'm actually really excited because I have an itch on my nose. Sometimes with primers for me it's kind of hard to tell a difference, but I can absolutely tell a difference. And this side is the side of the primer. Can you see it? It is so much smoother than this side. I really hope you guys can see it because it's like this side is it's a lot more textured than this side is. You can really tell it in this area right here on both sides. I don't have concealer or anything on. I just did the foundation. So I'm pretty impressed with it. I really like it so far. Just gosh, right here. Can you see it? Please tell me if you can see it. I really hope you can see it because it made a huge difference. I am going to wear this for a little bit just to see how long it wears and how well it wears, and I'll keep you updated because I don't think I'm going to do a full day's wear test today. But just going based off of right now, I truly really like this product, and I'm very happy I found it because I've been using the Tarte, I don't remember what it's called, it's in all of my videos, the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. And that's very pretty, but I think even this looks better, and you can't tell that big of a difference until you put the foundation on. That's when you really see it. So I actually might do a side-by-side of those. Maybe in another video I want to do a video where I compare several of my favorite products, just like battle them out and figure out which ones are actually really my favorite. So keep your eyes out for that. Anyways, the main goal of this video was to show you one way of getting free makeup and free products. Don't forget to check out Influenster. I think it's great. I mean, like I said, I've gotten this, I've gotten the eyebrow product. I got a box full of like 5 different things from Walmart one time just to try out. There's no strings attached other than you giving them one review on whatever thing it is, and you can read on there too what the things that you have to do are. So if you don't want to do it, you don't do it. I hope this helped a few of you. I'm really excited about this primer. If I do end up purchasing the full size, I'll let you know, but this is 0.5 fluid ounce, no wait. Yeah, 0.5 fluid ounces, so this should last me a good amount of time, but I will keep you updated on how much I like this, and if I do continue liking it, you'll continue to see it in my future videos. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I really truly hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!